Hey everyone, I'm back with my friend Snail. And Snail's here to start us off with a game. Are you ready, Snail?
I'm ready.
How do we play?
All right, I need everyone to stand up. We're going to begin by playing our brain builder. Follow, follow. This game helps build the parts of your brain that pay attention. Make your attentoscopes and and switch them on.
Doodly doo.
What are some words you can use as a switch?
I could say focus. Focus.
Now put on your attentoscope. Put your attentoscopes down, but pretend they're still there. For follow, follow, today we will use this rule. Repeat what I tell you to do before you move. Follow, follow. Rub tummy.
Rub tummy.
Follow, follow. Raise your hands.
Raise your hands.
Follow, follow. Sit down. Follow, follow. Stand up.
Stand up.
Follow, follow. Sit back down.
Sit back down.
Now, let's sing along with the learner song.
Focus, focus, listen, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive, focus, focus, listen, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive, focus, focus, listen, listen, use your self-talk, be assertive, this is the way we all can learn, this is the way we all can learn. First you focus, get your attention, use eyes and ears and brain. Now you listen, make sure you listen, use eyes and ears and brain. Use your self-talk, say I can do this, and focus, focus now. Be assertive, if you don't get it, just ask for help out loud. This is the way we all can learn. This is the way we all can learn. First you focus, get your attention, use eyes and ears and brain. Now you listen, make sure you listen, use eyes and ears and brain. Use your self-talk, say I can do this, and focus, focus now. Be assertive, if you don't get it, just ask for help out loud.
All right, friends, great singing and dancing. Well, I've got my friend Snail here with me today.
In our last lesson, you learned that repeating things to yourself helps you remember them. Now, let's remind ourselves of the listening rules by saying them all together.
Eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, bodies still, and hearts are open.
We just repeated the rules.
Snail, I saw you were working on some work today.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh, it's great.
Can you show me what that looked like?
Remember to wait. Sorry. Remember to write my name on the top. Remember my name, my name.
What are you doing, Snail?
Talking to myself to remember to write my name on my paper.
Good.
I keep forgetting.
Good job, Snail. That's something that learners do. You're using that self-talk to help you remember what to do.
Today's lesson is about talking to yourself to help yourself learn and remember.
All right, I'm going to share my screen with you because I want to show you a picture of some kids learning how to use their self-talk. Hold on one second. All right, in this picture, you see my friend Paolo. Is he focused on his work? What do you think, Snail?
I think so.
Yeah, I think he's focused. And then next to Paolo is his friend Samara. Do you think she's focused on her work?
I don't think so.
Yeah, why do you think she's not focused? How can you tell?
Well, she's looking at a pencil instead of her work.
You're right. Her eyes are not focused on her work right now. She looks distracted. Looks like she's making her pencil into an airplane. How can you tell that Paolo is focused on his work?
Well, he seems to be looking down at his paper and he's holding a pencil.
You're right. And we've been learning lots of skills to help us focus our attention. I think he's using his eyes to focus, like with our imaginary attendoscope.
Yeah.
He might also be talking to himself in a little voice in his head. Just like Snail was a little bit ago, Snail was saying, write my name, right, Snail?
Yeah, that's right.
So he might be doing that to himself too, so he doesn't forget. All right, we're gonna practice our self-talk a little by playing our follow game, and Snail's going to help us today. To get started, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. So if you need to, stop the video, go get your supplies, and come back. When you're ready, press play. All right, how do we play, Snail?
Now you will practice using your self-talk in follow drawing game. You will repeat the directions of the game, but also use your self-talk to stay focused on your drawing. Fold your paper in half and open it again. Draw a line down the middle of the paper on the fold mark.
Draw a line down the middle on the fold mark. Got it.
Now draw a big circle on one half with your first color.
Big circle, one half, one color.
Draw a big square on the other half with your second color.
Different color. Square on the other half.
Well, I see four sides. That must be a square. Okay, with your first color, draw a person inside the square.
First color, inside the square, person. Got it.
All right, with the second color, draw a tree inside the circle.
Okay, second color, circle. I'm gonna draw a tree inside. I'm gonna draw a Christmas tree. I love Christmas trees.
Me too.
There we go.
And finally, write your name on the top of the page.
Write my name. I can remember to do that. Mrs. Murphy. There we go.
Looks great.
Thanks, Snail. How'd you do with yours? Did you repeat the words after he said them? I hope so. Today, friends, we learned to use our self-talk to help you remember things that you're supposed to do. You can use that when you're doing assignments at home. You can also use that if your parents give you directions to do something in the house. All right, it's time for us to go now. I'll see everybody later. Bye.
Goodbye.